How to use Taco Bell gift card. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for tacobell.com. It will land you on this official page of Taco Bell. You have to enter your login credentials and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, you will be landing on this interface. When you are on this page, now what you want to do is scroll down and search for the food that you want to order. Once you find the product that you want to order, click on it and then add to cart. Head over to cart and select the quantity that you want to purchase. Once you have selected the quantity, now what you want to do is enter your shipping address and other contact information. After that, click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, you will see the option where it says gift card. All you want to do is click on it and then enter your gift card number. Also, you have to enter the security PIN. Once you have entered both of them, click on apply and then it will be redeemed successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can use Taco Bell gift card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.